Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. And this video is about how your thoughts are literally making you unhappy. And they are. Let me explain why in a moment. So here's the thing. Our thoughts become our things. We know that. The Bible talks about it. Many books talk about it. Many great leaders and thinkers have taught about it as well. That we become what we think about most of the time. Napoleon Hill talked about it if you ever read his book. He's one of the greatest teachers of personal development and getting what you want. Your dominant thoughts, what you think about the most. And even Dr. Joseph Murphy says, what you think and feel, you create what you believe. And that's so true. And you have to realize that your thoughts are moving through your body. And that's what we call feelings. So when you're not feeling good, that's because your thoughts are not in alignment with what you want. And so we're literally thinking ourselves into unhappiness on a consistent basis. And years ago, I did exactly that. I was getting started in my life and I was living in a basement of a trailer. Yeah, if you can believe it, like one of those mobile trailers, and somebody had built a basement underneath. And so I'm living there and I'm working in a job that I didn't like. I was working in a construction company, driving backhoes and doing all sorts of things that were, quite boring and mundane and dirty. And so anyway, I remember coming home one time and I was feeling so bad that I decided to start drinking beer, and just to feel good. And so I drank beer to make myself feel good, and it really didn't work after all. But the key here is that your thoughts are creating your life, and I had to change that, and I did change it. In fact, I haven't had alcohol in about 20 years now, so and it just doesn't work for me. So here's the thing. Your thoughts are always creating your life. You can't avoid that. And so if you're thinking, I'm sick and tired of doing what I'm doing, I'm sick and tired of this life, I'm sick and tired of the people in my life, I'm sick and tired of all these things going wrong and these problems, well, guess what? Those are your dominant thoughts, and you're going to be unhappy. You're going to be sick and tired. And that's not good. And if you're feeling tired and you're feeling sick, how can you be happy? You have so much going against you. So you have to realize that your thoughts are always creating your things. It's always creating your life. And you can't stop that. But what you need to do is to direct your thoughts. You need to be like a producer, a director, and the actor all at once, directing your thoughts, creating your life, creating the circumstances you want, crafting that, creating it, thinking about it, focusing on it. That's what it takes, because otherwise you're going to be living an unhappy life. It's that easy. It's easy to live an unhappy life. It's more challenging to live a full and happy life. Why? Because it takes awareness. You have to be aware. You have to think about what you want, focus on what you want. I believe that life isn't happening to us, it's responding to us. And it is. It's always responding to us. You can see it reflecting back in the people that we have in our life. We can see it reflecting back in the life that we live. We can see it reflecting back in the money that we receive and the gifts we receive. We can see that always, all the time, without failure. So we need to know that. If life isn't responding to you in a way that you want, you get to choose. You get to choose what you want. Write it down. Think about what you want. Focus on what you want. Build upon that. Create new circumstances. If you're not living the circumstances you want right now, create the ones you want. It's that simple, but the work comes when you're aware, and it comes when you start thinking about what you want, focusing on it, and building the life of your dreams. And by the way, if you haven't grabbed my book, Live the Life of Your Dreams, it's going to help you immensely to sort this out. It's down below. Grab it. You can just click on the link. It'll take you to another page, and you can grab it for free there, and you can start implementing that, because when you do, your life is going to change. If you're not checking out this video on my YouTube channel, hop over there. I have other videos like this that will help you live a full and happy life. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.